Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix apps keeps stopping on Android phone. So guys, if you are using Android phone and when you open any app on Android and facing this type of issue, app keeps stopping, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys after this here you need to find app management. So guys here you can see app management. So guys simply you need to click on this, and guys after this here is the option of app list. So guys you need to click on it, and guys after this here you need to search the app in which you have facing this error. So guys for example I am facing this error in Snapchat. So guys simply you need to search here that app and click on that app, and guys after opening it simply you need to click on storage and cache, and guys after this you need to click on clear cache and clear storage or clear data. So guys if you have the option of clear data here, then guys simply you need to click on clear data, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. And guys the second method is you need to go back, and guys after this open your settings again and app management again, and guys click on app list, and guys here you need to find Google Play services. The second method is Google Play services, you need to find here, and guys here you can see I have find two options of Google Play services. So guys you need to open one by one. So guys first of all if you have two, then guys you need to open one first of all and click on storage, and after this you guys you need to click on clear all data, and guys click on delete, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and you need to open second one, and guys here you can see second one, simply you need to click on it and do the same storage and cache, clear storage or clear data and clear all data, and click on delete, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys the third method is you need to open your Play Store here, and guys after opening it here you need to search that app in which you have facing the error. That app is not opening. So guys I have a issue in Snapchat. So guys for example you need to search that app, and guys click on open that app, and guys you need to update your app from Play Store, and guys after updating your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your app smoothly. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.